very happy to be here for the last 2 days as part of the ongoing training program for the Don Bosco schools here in Manipur. The way these Don Bosco fathers are managing these schools is very, very, very impressive and wonderful quality of the teachers. And I deeply appreciate the commitment of the teachers, their sincere efforts in giving their best to the students. I am impressed by the way they manage their day-to-day class arrangements and the way they have unique and innovative programs for the students' development. Happy that the students are benefiting a lot from the efforts of our teachers. This program is all about orienting students on understanding today's children in a better way. All of us are aware these 21st century children need 21st century skills to manage them and understand them. Unfortunately, in our traditional educational system, we use 19th century principles of dealing with people for dealing the 21st century children. So therefore, a big shift has to take place in terms of managing children, in terms of motivating children, in terms of showing the right path so that they become highly progressive and developing a strong sense of gratitude and commitment to the society and social development. Yes, dear teachers, I'm happy that I could play, though there are many speakers, I'm happy to be part of as one of the speakers for these programs. And I'm happy and I'm inspired by the way that you are already managing your classes and your institutions, and impressed by your committed effort to the institution and to the students. Please continue to grow, continue to work on the student development. Definitely, when a teacher gives his or her best, the institution will develop. I deeply appreciate the Salesian fathers, especially the principal, Father Hans Ignas, and the other fathers who are here, and so that their motivation and guidance is helping the teachers. I'm happy the students are lucky to study in a Don Bosco schools like this. Thank you.
And they have been successful in 6 points.